Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable the option to draw arrows on chess when using the mobile version. A lot of players don't realize it's hidden in the settings, but I'll guide you step by step. First, open up your Chrome browser and search for chess. Once it opens, log into your account if you're not already logged in. You'll see your chessboard, profile, and games as usual. Now, in order to draw arrows, we need to tweak one small setting. So let's begin by tapping on the settings icon. Once you're inside the settings menu, you'll notice there are a lot of different options you can adjust, but the one we're interested in is called Board and Pieces. Go ahead and tap on that. Now a new window will open, and here you'll see even more customization options like board colors, piece styles, and themes. What we're going to do is tap on the theme section. Inside this section, scroll down until you find an option called Highlight Moves. Most of the time, this option is turned off by default. This is why arrows don't show up when you try to drag on the board. To fix this, simply toggle it on. Once you switch it on, you're basically allowing chess.com to display arrows and highlights whenever you press and drag on the chessboard. And that's it. Thanks a lot for watching, and if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and useful guides.